Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BazAI. Imagine creating a one video, publish it to 90 different countries or different languages while keeping your original voice, emotion, timing, and speaking style. Keep everything a constant. That's how exactly ElevenLab is pushing with dubbing version 2. So the new release, the newest dubbing system, which they calls behind they're gonna be an agent, it's designed for the creators, filmmakers, global brands, for them to reach the global audience with single video, with single brand promotion can be possible to dubbing version 2. And I'm going to test it and I'm going to give my feedback on how it's working once and how it works behind the scenes, why it's called a huge upgrade for global content creations, advantages, limitation, and traditional dubbing style of it. Let's go and see the voice identity, emotional tone, speaking style. Let's go and understand the samples I'm gonna play. So look at this video. It's gonna look similar.
Describe to me how an audio model works. So it's similar to how you would operate on the token level on the text side. We operate on the token level on the audio side.
Que está en cómo luego decodificas y codificas eso para poder producir como un habla holística.
Ya has hablado en el pasado sobre cómo al crecer en Polonia solo había un actor de voz para cada programa de TV.
Sim, a inspiração veio do cinema, mas isso vale para qualquer situação de comunicação. Pre-seed was tough. Pre-seed was hard. I think we spoke with a good amount of double-digit investors, between 30 to 50.
How much did you raise in the pre-seed?
Millones. ¿Recuerdas el precio? 9 millones. Para nosotros, incluso a nível de inversor, de perspectiva de produto, especialmente agora, o que conta mesmo é velocidade de execução e velocidade.
Finn the Frog and the Balloon Beast. カエルのフィンは自分が沼で一番大きくて強いカエルだと自慢するのが大好きでした。胸を
Yeah, it's pretty amazing the way they've been changed to the different languages. What I'm going to do it, I've already created a sample audio file, which has been in English. I'm going to change it into Albanian, which I don't know, but I'm going to try to do a test for that. And I've choose to the more likely the original speaker to it. So let's gonna try with this and see how it's gonna be comes up to how it's gonna be changes. The dubbing is in a progress, so it's in a queue. And before it gets started, you can start doing with the URLs as well. So behind the scene, what actually it's going to do, it's analyzing your audio, identified how many speakers are talking, convert the speech into text, and then do the speech recognition model and translate to the target language. So it understand everything into text based what you talk, and then it's gonna mimicking to the voice model. That's how the original guys is speaking. That's gonna be do the dubbing, audio, and synchronize back to the video. That's also one more key thing, like how it's gonna keep the emotional expressions to keep in one. This help us to we don't require to voice actors, no recording studios, no manual editing workflows. And why we call it's innovation of the day, because the global reachability with multi languages for the brand, which is gonna save them high watch, like it's gonna save them high amount of money. Let's get play with it, how it's gonna comes to actually.
Hey, Tungja, Tjeta, përshëndetje të gjithëve. Mirë se vini sërish në BazAI. Sot do t'ju tregoj se si funksionon ElevenLabs Dubbing versioni V2. Testoj se si do të performoj në shumë gjuhë. Mund të kalojmë nga njëra gjuhë në tjetrën, cilësinë e zërit. Le ta bëjmë testin. Hey,
Oh, I couldn't understand anything, but I'm gonna play the actual recording. It's gonna be showing to that. I'm speaking in English and it's translated into the Albanian language. The intent was
hey,
gonna be
Tunja, Tjeta,
same.
përshëndetje të gjithëve. Mirë se vini sërish në BazAI. Sot do t'ju tregoj
They're pretty amazing the way they have been done. But when I'm gonna give the feedback of it, you can put the URL, the YouTube URL, and then convert it. When you are converting into the huge size of dance, then credit's gonna be very high. So 1 minute is gonna be free dubbing for you, but when it goes to the higher text input, the model's gonna charge you more in type of the token credits. But what is not good in that, there is gonna be it's still it feels like emotionless for me because even how it's speaking into the different language, sometimes I feel there might be the AI robots will adapting the accent, but it's not understanding the actual emotions behind those ones. This can be handled the podcast interviews, the discussions video with multiple people speaking, but when it comes to the raw human emotions which needs to be understand and then it needs to be responded, it's gonna be it still needs to work on that. Yeah, pretty good. If you are building an application for education courses, marketing, entertainment, or customer support tutorials, knowledge based videos, absolutely thumbs up. You can go and do it. But the biggest challenges when it comes to the culture, human emotions, and regional slang as well. Because in India, we have a different slangs, how the regional people will gonna work, and sometimes English maybe fails completely in a Japanese or in Arabic. That's why we need a human professionals to do those things. Very good for your marketing content, brand promotions, online courses. Let's go and try the APIs. But when you are going to do the human emotions, is gonna be fun. Yeah, so it's gonna be. I'm giving the 3.8 out of 5 for dubbing version 2 because it's reaching 90 different languages. It's going to give us a massive potentiality to create the content to the 90 different languages. And thanks for watching this. I highly recommend you to play with ElevenLabs Dubbing version 2. Make sure you subscribe my channel for more deep dives into the AI world. Thank you.